Once upon a time, in the whimsical kingdom of Heartwood, there lived a little princess named Aurora. With eyes the color of the morning sky and a heart that danced to the rhythm of love songs, Aurora was a beacon of love and hope. But when the Valentine star disappeared from the night sky, love started to fade in Heartwood. Undeterred, Princess Aurora embarked on an enchanted Valentine's quest. She journeyed through the moonlit meadows, solved riddles with the wise owl Oliver, and climbed the Whispering Hill to find the crystal rose. But the rose was guarded by the mischievous sprite Zephyr, who challenged Aurora to a game of riddles. Remembering her grandmother's advice, Aurora answered with love and won the game. Zephyr led her to the hidden Valentine star, a shimmering gem that was losing its glow. In a final act of love, Aurora whispered a wish, and the star burst into light, restoring love to Heartwood. When she returned to the castle, a Valentine's card awaited her. It read, "To the little princess who rekindled our hearts, may your love shine brighter than any star." And so, every time a star twinkles on Valentine's night, it is a reminder of Aurora's quest and the power of love. In the end, love is the greatest magic, and sometimes even stars need a little help to shine. They all lived lovingly ever after in the kingdom of Heartwood.